You ready?
Yeah.
What are you eating, little Biz?
Basil.
Basil. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Great Garden Challenge, where we're taking my 15 by 20 foot garden space and seeing how much food we can grow over an entire season. If you were with us last week, you got to see how we walked through our 3-step now formula to deal with insect pests in the garden, because we've been having issues with squash bugs and cucumber beetles and our cucurbits just in general. So if you missed that, go back and watch last week's video. There's a link down in the description, and in fact you can see all of the previous videos through this entire series from where we started this garden from scratch, bare ground, sod, it was just the grass here, to where we are today. And this week comes in with more harvests, more seeding in, extra baby greens into our garden here, and a little bit of trellising and all of that coming right up. But first, quick little reminder to put in your guess of how much you think that we're gonna be able to grow out of this garden, and whoever gets the closest is gonna win the Great Garden giveaway, which includes $500 of free seeds, a free Birdies Raised Bed, and lifetime unlimited level access to the Seedtime garden planning software that makes it so easy to visualize when to seed, when to transplant, when you can expect to harvest. It's the software that I'm using to plan this garden right now through this whole season, where we are literally having a continual harvest. We're harvesting something every single week throughout the whole season, and we are just maximizing our space in here. So if you want to get access to that and a chance to win, go drop down into the description down below. There is a link where you can put in your guess. Time is running out. You only have until the end of July to put in your guess, because we do have to have it cut off. So go drop down there, click that link, put in your guess, and while you're at it, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon for notifications. And now let's talk about what happened this week in the garden. So at the very beginning, we came out and had a great baby greens harvest. You can see these ones have actually grown. I'm doing a second picking off of them. I was gonna take them out and sow in new ones, but I didn't have time, and they regrew. And so I'm doing another second picking off of them. And you can see we've got some little baby greens coming up here. We have more coming up here. Lettuce down there, you can kind of see the little rows. Some auroch in here. So excited about that, and more that we're gonna pick over here. Later on this week, we came back out and ended up having a really nice harvest of basil out of the garden here as well. What are you eating, little Biz?
Basil.
Basil. All right. Yeah, we need to pick basil. Look at this. This basil's doing fantastic, and it needs to be picked. And check this out. Our auroch is coming up. You can see it's red, and baby lettuce is coming up down there. And so right now, I'm gonna be coming in and taking out all of the baby greens underneath the tomatoes over here and next to these green beans here. And we're gonna get ready to seed in some new baby greens. Our tomatoes are just looking great, and we got more ripe tomatoes, both some yellow cherry type tomatoes as well as some of our larger ones. All right, I seeded in my baby greens and got a nice harvest off of the basil. Harvested some tomatoes. I'll show you that real quick over here. You can see our awesome tomato and basil harvest here. Nice bunch of basil here and tomatoes. Hey, now I want to take a minute to congratulate Teresa Martin for winning our giveaway from last week, which was a 5-pound bag of worm casting. So Teresa, we left a comment under yours. Go check that out. Make sure that you claim your free gift. And for the rest of you who are watching, guess what? We're doing another giveaway this week, just like all the other weeks. So anyone who leaves a comment down below is going to automatically be entered to win. And this time we are giving away a 4-pound bag of chicken manure pellets. So we're kind of on the fertilizer theme right now with the giveaways. And this is a great time, middle of the summer, to side dress your crops, give them a little extra boost of nutrients. So check out, drop down below, leave a comment, and you could be entered to win this fertilizer. And by the way, this worm castings and these fertilizers are all available within the Seedtime Store. So there's a link down in the description. You can go check out the entire store, and there's a whole bunch of other goodies in there as well. The other thing that we did out here is that I put up another line of trellis on our Determinate tomatoes here. They have really grown up a lot. They were kind of hanging over and falling over a little bit. So I put up another string trellis around them. It's helping holding them up. Okay, so I just cleared out the baby greens underneath the tomatoes here. Gonna seed in some new baby greens, but as you can see here, our bush early grilled tomatoes are really doing beautifully. Look at these gorgeous leaves. I'm very pleased with them. They're doing great, but they do need some trellising. So I've got some twine here and we're gonna come along and trellis them up on either side. Okay, so I couldn't video myself doing it here, but I strung this string down along this side. Then at each T-post, you wrap it around the T-post and continue going down this side. We come all the way down and we're pulling up the branches as we go so that they get caught in between these lines. Come down to the end here, wrap it around the whole time, and then string it back on the other side. And you create this basket weave basically with your tomatoes growing up in the middle. And it works really, really well. And then I also came out and took out all of the baby lettuce that was under the tomatoes and over by the green beans, the one that I harvested at the beginning of the week, that was the second harvest off of them. Took all of that baby lettuce out and we seeded in some more Mizuna and some more baby lettuce in those spots as well. So those have not come up yet. They haven't quite germinated yet, but they are coming up. And coming up very soon, our green beans are just about ready to harvest. So it's really neat seeing them under the trellis. I absolutely love this trellis. I love the way that it works. And the flowers are coming in under the trellis there, and those green beans are just hanging down. They're gonna be so easy and fun to pick. And take a look at these green bean pods. Yes, that is what we are looking for. Some nice, beautiful green bean pods. It's getting about time to start harvesting. Yes, just looking gorgeous. So some of this lettuce here needs to be harvested. You can see this one's already kind of bolting up. And yeah, even though they've been under the shade here, they are still having, they're still kind of not really filling out really nice heads of lettuce. So that's kind of interesting. And then of course we got our tomatoes, and we just seeded this baby lettuce down under the tomatoes on Friday. So that's starting to germinate and come up. It's looking good. And then on our seed starting station side of things, I have some lettuce that is growing. I need to seed some more lettuce as a succession planting, and I want to seed some cucumbers because I'm not 100% sure that the cucumbers are gonna all survive out here. So I'd like a backup. So I need to do that. I haven't done that yet. I don't know that I'll have time to do it today, but that will be coming up soon as well. So that brings us to a wrap for this week. It's a pretty simple week, and before we go, I want to give one more quick little reminder about our fundraiser during this challenge. So during the whole challenge, we are hosting this fundraiser to lift 100 families out of poverty into an abundant life. And we're doing this with an organization called FarmStew. So all of the funds that are raised are being sent over to FarmStew, and they do this. They have literally helped thousands of families in this way. They teach them how to grow their own food, how they can even sell that food to the community. It's a real holistic program, which is so, so cool. So definitely drop down. There's a link down in the description. Check that out. And if you would like to be a part of that change in the world, helping these families, then click that link and give a donation there. In fact, anyone who gives $1,000 or more is going to trigger a Bonanza giveaway. So huge thank you to all of you who have already contributed to that. Once again, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified of these videos as they come out from week to week. And that brings us to a wrap for this week. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you next time, and I think we're gonna have a green bean harvest. So tune back in next week and you might see some green beans.